Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on downloading Fortnite to your Nintendo Switch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the homepage of the Switch, open up the Nintendo eShop. Tap Search and then search for Fortnite. Select Fortnite to open it. I have downloaded Fortnite previously, so my screen looks a little different to how yours will. Where my screen says purchased, yours will say free download. Tap that. Then tap download again on the next page, and Fortnite will download. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nintendo Switch tips and tricks.